All right, we just got done washing this one. Let's see who can tell me where this slide is located. We're washing it. We did a couple polish cuts on this one already. So far we've been working on it for 2 weeks. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of glass. We're washing it now after we did the first cut. We'll be able to go back and look and see where our next cut's gonna be. So this red panel, these red panels, took 3 weeks alone. Red's our toughest color. All right, friends. We got another slide we're working on. This one's gonna be polished 100%. You can see the calcium buildup on this one's pretty intense because there's no cover, right? So it's just gonna get beat down by the sun, and you know we've got the Texas sun here. It's pretty intense, and we do use cow hypo in this facility, so the calcium is a little bit higher on the and the calcium hardness is a little bit higher in our facility. You can see my team has already done a little bit of polishing, looking a lot better right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do from very up there to the turn all the way down to the run out here. So we're gonna climb this real quick, take a look. If I can climb it. All right, let's see where he's at. Yeah, it's looking good. Oh man, he's almost done this entire panel already. He's having to do a little bit of light sanding. Whenever we have a little bit of heavy calcium, we do a light sanding to get rid of it. Some of that calcium buildup. For us, you can use around an 800 grit and it brings it down, no problem. And it doesn't affect the gel coat. We're real careful about how we do this. Very light passes. They are not with pressure. Very, very light passes. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk up the rest of the slide so you can see it. This is a fusion ride by Whitewater West out of Canada, right? See, there's a constrictor. That's a constrictor. Big old fat side of it. This is a big slide, by the way. I don't remember the linear footage, but I'm gonna say it's close to 200 or maybe 300. All right, we're inside the constrictor, and what's crazy about this is you can hear the echoes. The color's changing in the camera because of the yellow wash. It's completely yellow. So this is all yellow, and this is a very dark blue. Right, we're inside the constrictor. There's a single constrictor. And then this is the Aquasphere, another one of Whitewater's signature rides. And then up there's the rest of the tower. Very simple setup here. See the grates right there? The water coming from the start tub actually flows into here. They're not deep or anything. Flows into there. Now there's some water, whoops, come on, there you go. Water does flow down in here, washes up. Of course the raft kind of goes in here. But that water flows from down in here. There's a pipe that goes under here, pipe set up, and it hits these jets just by gravity. Nothing else. No pumps or anything, just gravity. Works pretty nice. Very good system. All right, guys. See you next time.